the proton. My posts have suggested that a singularity of photons made electron-positron pairs in the Big Bang. Then those electrons and positrons made protons and neutrons. Then I suggested that a proton was two positrons in a full orbital with an electron inside. The most common comment I got was that a positron and electron would annihilate, because that's what happens when positrons and electrons combine. So how could two positrons in an orbital and one electron within that orbital coexist in a proton? But I think I know how this could happen because of spin. Let's look at electrons, for example. Two electrons always repel, but if they have different spins, they can tolerate each other's presence in the same space. When electrons that have opposite spin are put together, there are no net magnetic field because the opposite spins cancel each other out. Next, repeat the above with positrons of opposite spin. That means that the two positrons with opposite spin will tolerate each other's presence in the same space. When positrons that have opposite spin are put together, there are no net magnetic field because the opposite spins cancel each other out. That means that the two positrons have opposite spin, fill an orbital, and have no net magnetic field. That in turn allows for the electron within that orbital without any particles annihilating. Further, it suggests why protons in the nucleus don't repel each other. Virtually all protons were made in the Big Bang, and they are possibly immortal. Finally, the current understanding of the strong force is that it's both between the protons and neutrons and between the quarks inside the protons and neutrons. Yet my model shows that the electromagnetic force is both between the protons and neutrons and inside the protons and neutrons. The problem to be solved in my model is why is the supposed strong force 137 times stronger than the electromagnetic? See diagram. Protons on the left, neutrons on the right.